Yiba Kids! Yay! You're here! It's time for us to start reading. I've compiled the most used two-letter words. I separated the sight words of two letters, like me, he, we, so that kids won't be confused while reading. Again, follow my yellow star wand. Let's go and start reading. Ah. Ah. Am. Ah. Ah. N. Ah.
S.
Ah.
S.
As. Ah.
T.
Ah.
T.
At.
The.
O.
The. O.
Do. E.
F.
E.
F.
If. E.
N.
E.
N.
In. E.
S.
E.
S.
Is. E.
T.
E.
T.
It.
N.
O.
N.
O. No. O.
F.
O.
F.
Of. O.
N.
O.
N.
On. O. O. Or.
S.
O.
S.
O. So.
T.
O.
T.
O. To. A. A. Up. A.
S.
A.
S.
Us. It was fun and easy, right? Because we have memorized the sound of letters already. But if you did have a hard time, you can go back to step 2. Don't worry, even though kids don't know the words, eventually they will learn it, because it's the most used words. We are focused on reading first. Please, Mom and Dad, guide them every day to practice this, before going to the next step. Next step is 3-letter words. Video link is in the description.